So here are two types of scissors you can use for hand sewing. This is a clip scissors, which is easy to cut the thread, and this is a manual scissors where you can use it as well to cut the thread. You choose your favorite. For the sewing you will need thread and the needle. The bobbin you can choose a big one or a small one for just to try and practice at the beginning. Make sure also the needle, after you sew it, you can use a pin cushion where you can stick to the pin cushion. If you don't have one, you can use a magnet, or if you don't have a magnet at all, then you can use my grandmother best advice after sewing: always stick to the bobbin. All you need to know, make sure you always put in the bobbin. Keep your fingers away from the needle's path when you're stitching the fabric. Keep your fingers away from the needle's path when stitching. You can also wear a thimbles to protect your fingers when pushing the needle through fabric. As you see, you can use on the middle finger or the thumb. Wherever it feels more comfortable for you, you can try and practice. This needle I use for this tutorial, but if you are a beginner, you can find big eye needle that will be comfortable for you to sew. You can find on any craft store and it will be easier for you to learn. To keep your workspace organized, you can use an organizer box just like this one, where I put all my stuff inside and the small too, so I'm not gonna lose them all. Or you can just take one of your zip pouches and you can use that as well. So be patient and learn how to enjoy the sewing skill. I wish you good luck and let's get started.